So for this week's trades of the week, for the 21st of July 2015, got a few FX indices to go through. So let's start off with the dollar yen daily chart here, which is what we tend to look at for the trades of the week charts there. Nice move from the 13th of July, up about 100 on the market at this stage. So we're not quite up to our target zone yet, looking for a couple of hundred on this one really, but certainly moving gradually in the right direction. So that's dollar yen. Of course, a nice short a couple of weeks ago. Prior to that, a nice move from there as well, so 100 points there. So a couple of nice moves on dollar yen, rotating relatively well at the moment. Some decent moves on the likes of dollar Swiss. We had this buy back from a few weeks ago now, back in the mid-late part of May. Market moving on, good sort of 250 points on side on at the moment, pretty much just a few ticks away from target yesterday. I know a lot of our clients are already out and taken profits on dollar Swiss, but certainly moving very, very well. Certainly euro dollar, very similar position as you might expect really. So whilst that peg has been lifted back in January between the Swiss franc and the euro dollar, they are still pretty much aligned. From here, back on the 19th of May at 111.48, we got our short away. We were looking for 339 pips on this one, and we just touched it yesterday. Went a couple of ticks through it, down to that low there of 108.07, looking for 108.09. So hopefully with some nice tight spreads on your platforms, you'd have been able to notch your target on that one yesterday as well. So decent profit on there. So that was, as I say, about 340 points there on euro against the US dollar. A few other trades otherwise, a few of the different strategies that we've had in play, swing trades, continuation trades. Let's have a look at a couple of continuations. First of all, the euro sterling, the market resuming its longer term downtrend, getting an entry on the 14th of July at 70.37. Market accelerating quite nicely over last week, moving down to the bottom of this price envelope there. A possible target down to this zone, otherwise looking for about 79 pips. Either way, a nice winner on this chart there over the first couple of days. So just resuming that longer term downtrend there on euro sterling. So we've seen a decent tumble on the euro over the last few days, whereas sterling has held relatively steady. So nice moves there. Looking through also to sterling Swiss, another great example of a continuation trade there. We have the longer term charts in uptrends and just resuming as that indicator turned from red to green. There's our entry point here at 147.70, and you can see the market now some 200 points higher. Again, a great move on sterling Swiss and some extra profits for traditional users. It's not just about the sniper strategy, guys. There's other action in town, and this is really what we're here to teach about how to maximize your profits from trading using our trend signal indicators. And the continuation trades and swing trades, which we're moving into now, have been picking up some great returns for us. Here's a swing trade here on sterling yen. I'm not going to go into the details on what these are about. Safe to say this is a 230 point winner on sterling yen there, moving really nicely up to that target zone from our entry there. So again, a very nice profit, making that target in sort of 2 or 3 days. It's a pretty good return from 2 or 3 days action. Risk reward wise, these indices haven't been so great though. Let's look at the DAX. There was a swing trade there. Target was at 284 pips on this one, so a really nice target zone, and it did get there very, very comfortably, picking up some decent profits on it. What we're also seeing as well is the S&P 500, so another big index contract there, looking for the best part of 278 points on that one, so another great trade on that entry from the 13th of July here. So from 2100s looking for 2127 pretty much, and you can see how the market got through those levels yesterday to high of 2132. So another 280 odd points from there. And then finally, we're still in the FTSE at the moment. We're up about 100 points on this trade at the moment, so from 66.83. In fact, we're exactly 100 points up on it from the 10th of July. So that's a FTSE sniper trade there, looking for a couple of 100 points on this one. So some really nice moves, and looking at some big currencies and indices there as well. So what have we looked at? We looked at DAX, S&Ps, FTSE, some great profits on those. Indices, dollar yen, sterling Swiss, Euro dollar, euro sterling, a good mix of major currencies there, picking up some very, very healthy profits over the last week or 10 days. So there we are. That's this week's trades of the week. Hopefully you were on some of those trades as well. And if you weren't, then maybe Trend Signal is the right package for you. And you might want to get yourself to one of our free online trading webinars to find out more about what Trend Signal can do for you and help your trading account. All the best and bye-bye.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.